Okay, so today we're just going to do a super quick video on how to export your GandM code from Autodesk Inventor using the HSM add-on. So this is a part of the teacher nameplate project I have my students do just to intro basic milling. And so this is my teacher nameplate that I designed for this series. And you can see that I've already selected 2D Pocket on all of them, so we've already got that toolpath in there. That's what all those lines are for. And right now we're looking at a part comparison. So you can see that the eye is actually not being milled. I think it's too small. But that's not really the purpose of this video, is to focus on that. It's really, once you have your code done and everything is milled, or everything, the toolpath looks correct, how do you get that out of Autodesk Inventor and the CAM software and into and post process it and get our code for CNC motion. So at this point, it's really whoop, Irene is apparently selling cupcakes. At this point, it's really straightforward. You hit post process, and this will pop up, and we just hit post. So you can see here is some of my old NC codes. This is my old nameplate, so I'm going to just type in Mr. Gibbs new, and we hit save. And the nice thing about this is it pops up with the code for CNC motion. So I skipped over that. I'll go back and take a look at it. So here's our code, and we can just select all of it and hit copy, and then we can go paste it into CNC motion. Or if you use a different milling software, we use software that's designed for the classroom, so it's a little bit more user friendly than some other softwares. But again, go to post process. I'm just going to make sure that this was for our easel. That's what we use in class sometimes, but we also use IntelliTech. So you can see through here, this is where you could find the maker of the milling machine that you use. So like Haas is a big one. And down here we see PLTW IntelliTech. So for us, we want to use, for my class, we're using PLTW IntelliTech, and then you can hit post and we'll save a new one. So we'll say Mr. Gibbs new, and then this one will be for CNC motion. Okay, so at this point it's a little bit different, so we can now copy this one, and we're going to post this one into CNC motion. So I got my CNC motion for IntelliTech, and GandM code is really similar across machines. And you just copy and paste it into the new code, and it is that simple. You paste it in there. And there it is. You can now simulate it. Well, I'm not going to make you watch it simulate because that would take forever. So good luck to you guys. If you have any questions on how to get this going, comment, and I'm happy to answer questions.